Introduce highlight features or overview summary of LuxBlue 800 GPH above ground pool filter pump. There are features include high efficiency filtration. Experience crystal clear pool water with the pool filter pump, engineered to handle 800 gallons per hour. This robust pool filtration system rapidly and efficiently sifts out impurities such as sand, hair, and leaves, enhancing the circulation of pool water. The result is a swimming environment that is not only visibly clearer but also cleaner. This pool cartridge filter is an indispensable tool for maintaining a healthy and joyful swimming experience. Long-lasting pool maintenance. The pool cartridge pump, constructed from chemical-resistant PP material, ensures longevity and durability across numerous swimming seasons. Compatible with pools featuring 1.25-inch diameter hose fittings, it is capable of efficiently servicing pools up to 4,800 gallons. This pump is an essential asset for keeping your pool water clean and clear, providing a healthier and more enjoyable swimming environment season after season. Easy to assemble and safe, the pool cartridge pump includes a Type 2 pool filter cartridge, 8 buckle, 3 filters, and 4 extended hoses. With everything you need, assembly can be completed in just a few minutes, saving you time and effort. Additionally, the ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCI, prevents circuit overloads, ensuring the safety of your pump from electrical faults. And you can simply enjoy your pool time without any worries. Ultimate pool cleaning solution. With a powerful flow rate, this efficient pool filter pump ensures crystal clear water and optimal circulation for your swimming pool. Say goodbye to debris and impurities, as our cartridge filter pump provides top-notch filtration, keeping your pool water clean and inviting. Experience hassle-free pool maintenance and enjoy a refreshing swim every time. Upgrade to the LuxBlue cartridge filter pump and elevate your pool experience today. Suitable for various pools, our 800 GPH above ground pool pump works perfectly with inflatable pools, metal frame pools, and steel wall pools, making it the best choice for easy pool water purification. Meanwhile, connect it to any standard smart plug on the market, and you can instantly enable scheduled cleaning, a great convenience for your pool cleaning. Ready to embrace effortless pool maintenance? Let's dive into endless summer fun together. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.